Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today we are going to be talking about the new KOSAS Revealer Foundation. Now y'all know I love the concealer. So I was so excited when they said that this was going to be coming out. I have it in the lightest shade, very light neutral 100. So if you want to see some shade comparisons to other foundations, if you want to see how this applies with both a brush and a beauty blender, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I wanted to show y'all some swatch comparisons. So down here we have the KOSAS foundation in the lightest shade, which is very light neutral. And then next we have the Chantecaille Future Skin Cushion Foundation in the shade Aura. This is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Foundation in 0.5 Porcelain. This is the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin Foundation in the shade 2. And then this is the Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue in the shade 1 in 0 Porcelain. So as you can see, I mean, this is the underside of my arm, so it's it's basically the color of loose leaf paper. But as you can see, the KOSAS is a bit more yellow, but overall, I mean, it's not like as yellow as it looked in the pictures. Okay, so here we have the packaging. Y'all, I really love this packaging. I'm not gonna lie. It's a glass bottle, so it's super luxurious feeling. I wore yellow to match the little yellow top. It's so cute. It is a pump applicator, which also matches the yellow. I just love the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump some out on the back of my hand. That was a lot. It is a little runny, not the runniest foundation that I have, but as you can see, it is dripping down the back of my hand a little bit. It has a little bit of a scent. So their concealer, the Revealer concealer, honestly, mine smells like blue cheese now. So I think it's gone bad. I can't really remember what it smelled like before it went bad. I'm still using it, which probably isn't the best idea. But this one, I mean, it kind of smells funny. It just smells very natural. So I'm gonna go ahead, I don't have anything on my face except for my skincare. As I always do, I'm gonna apply it to one side with a brush and the other side with a beauty blender. So I have my Sonia G Jumbo Base Brush, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it. So as you can see, the shade match really isn't that bad. Again, I have the lightest shade. I know that in the promotional swatches and the promotional pictures, it all looks really yellow, but it's really not that bad, y'all. I would say that this, the lightest shade, is the same color as the lightest shade of the concealer. So it applied absolutely beautifully. I didn't have any trouble blending it. There was no pilling underneath, and you can see it just gives my skin the most beautiful, dewy, juicy finish while still looking natural. It did provide some coverage for my blemishes. I'm still gonna have to go in with a little bit of concealer, but I think I've said before, I don't want a foundation that's gonna like completely cover them up. So this type of medium coverage foundation is perfect for me. So let's go ahead and apply it to this side with a beauty blender. So that's the side with the beauty blender. Okay, this is really crazy, y'all. So you know how usually when you use a beauty blender as compared to a brush, it typically looks more dewy? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, but I feel like the beauty blender side looks less dewy. I don't know, I could be wrong. So here's the Beauty Blender side. And then here's the brush side. I mean, they both apply equally as beautiful. I feel like whatever your preference is, whatever you can do it the quickest with will work just fine. But like, let me know what you think. But for some reason, I feel like it's less dewy. So as always, I'm gonna go in and add just the tiniest little bit on my nose. It built beautifully on my nose. Overall, the finish is just very natural, glowy, but not too glowy in my opinion. And it provides like the perfect medium coverage. So I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm gonna use the KOSAS concealer, obviously, and I'm gonna be back with my final thoughts as well as tell you how it wore throughout the day, because I did wear it 2 days already. Okay, so this is the finished look. Overall, you guys, I really, really love this foundation. The 2 times that I wore it, it is one of those foundations, kind of like my beloved Lisa Eldridge, where at the end of the day, it looks prettier than it did when I first put it on. And any foundation that can do that, I mean, that's like sorcery to me. So I really, really love it. I haven't had any issues with it breaking me out or anything like that. And I love that it's natural, it's clean, it's vegan, and it just looks really, really beautiful. I used all cream products on top. Like I said, I used the KOSAS Revealer Concealer in the shade 0.5. And the only powder that I used to set was a little bit under my eyes and like, you know, around my nose, chin, forehead, just to take that shine down a little bit. But as you can see, it's really, really beautiful as compared to the last foundation that I reviewed, that Makeup Forever newly formulated one. This is a win in my book and I absolutely love it. So let me know down below if you picked this foundation up. If you did, what are your thoughts on it? I'd love to hear from all of you. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!